Hey guys, it's Ryan. Today I'm doing my slime collection, so let's get started. I'm gonna flip you guys around like this. Okay, so the first slime, this is the case that I have most of my slimes in, 3 of them. And then in here I got, and then there's one behind you, and I'm gonna show that at the very end. So first, let's open this container. This is my brother's fishing container, but he gave it to me. So the first slime that I have is this pink, this pink one. Let's get this out. This, I painted it with liquid paint, so it's not that stretchy. If I haven't painted it with liquid paint, then it would be super duper stretchy. Yeah. And I'm sorry I haven't posted lots of videos in the last few days because I've just been really busy. Today I was so happy because we were going to go to the beach. We live in Hanford, so we were going to go to the beach, but we didn't, so. There's the ASMR. It's not really loud. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. Next one. Okay, look. This is a foam. Okay, look. This is a foam slime. It has like lots of these little beads in them, and like it's like kind of stretchy. But when you start, it's kind of stretchy. But when you start mixing the beads inside of them, it gets just super hard. And it breaks, so I'm gonna have to fix that. This is probably not gonna even do ASMR. Sorry about my hair, I just woke up. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that does not even have ASMR. Okay, okay, there's that one. See? Sorry. Okay, so the last but not least is this one. I can't believe this still actually works, because I made this with, you can see it right. I made this with flour or cornstarch or any kind of flour, like powder. You know, here's the thing I like about powder slimes. You could make slime with any kind of powder, and like all you need to make slime is powder and any other thing, like water, powder and water. That makes oobleck. Powder and dish soap, Dove, any kind. It makes slime. But this one I made with powder, any kind of powder, like again flour, cornstarch, foot powder. I made this one with flour or something like that, and detergent, laundry detergent, and then I put these little beads in there. And if you keep it outside for a long time, it's gonna get all hard. And I don't know if I have an example. I probably don't. I do, but I'm gonna have to go all the way. Wait. Actually, I do have an example. It's just right there. So I'm gonna go get it, and I'm sorry if I take a long time. I'm super duper sorry, but it's just right there. I want to show you guys an example, so I'll be right back. back. Sorry about the background noise when I was gone. I left my door open. That's why I have my door shut right now. I don't want the phone to fall. Sorry if the phone does fall. Okay. Okay, right here. This is what it looks like when it's hard. And this, what? So that means it's still good. So yeah, but this, it's as thick as a rock. That's all that's in this box right here. That's all that's in this box. I have 3 of them. Next, these 2 that I have. Watch. It's better on my bed. These 2 that are in here, they're store. The lid came off. Sorry about that. These 2 in here, they're store-bought. Store-bought. Once again, store-bought. I did not make these. I know how to make them, but I did not make these. These ones. They're foam slime. That's really relaxing. Oh my gosh. Like whenever you stretch it. Those crunchy noises, like. And then the way it goes like this, it rips. Comment down below if that's relaxing. It massages your hands too. I got this at not Rite Aid, but the store near in Hanford, like near Taco Bell and McDonald's. I don't know. I'll look it up and I'll comment it down below. So make sure to go look that up. But not today. They have all kinds of things out there, like glue for $1 and something, $1 something. So there it is once again. So there's that. Let's see if I can make it. Oh, launch plane. Next one. This one's a blue, and I think I'm gonna name this one. I got 2 blue kind of slimes. This one's red. I don't know what I'm gonna name them. And then this one's red, so it's a pretty duper red. So yeah, like that. That's just the same as any kind. Let's see if I can make it now when it's sitting down. Oh, I made it. Now for the one that's behind the camera, and I'm sorry you couldn't see it before. I just needed something to hold the camera up while I'm doing the video because I'm not good at doing something while I'm holding the camera. So I'm sorry if I'm sorry if I drop you guys. I'm sorry my hand's in the way now. Okay, got it. You guys are gonna fall. I want you guys to be able to see my face. There we go. Please stay there. It's in this container. It doesn't shut though. This is how it looks like. And this is a rice slime. Very easy to make. Very. Very, very, very. Here, you want to know a secret? I'll tell you how I made this. All you need is a slime that you don't like. Add color, any kind of color you want, and then add rice to it. And then whenever it gets hard, just add hot water or boiling. Boiling works the best. Oop, you guys are falling. You guys are going down. I don't have lots of slides because I sold all the rest of the slides. One more stretch and then I'm going to end the video. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what you want to see next. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Bye.